In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make multiple selections in a drop-down list in Excel. If you want to create a drop-down menu that pulls from a list of choices, Excel makes that process pretty simple. In this walkthrough, we'll set up the drop-down list itself by using data validation, so you can choose from a defined set of values inside a cell. I'll guide you through each part slowly so it's easy to follow along. To begin, go to the Data tab at the top of Excel. This is where you'll find many of the tools related to managing and controlling what can be entered into cells, including the option we need for creating a drop-down list. Once you're on the Data tab, click Data Validation. This opens the settings window that lets you decide what kind of input is allowed in the selected cell or range. If you don't see the exact option right away, just look for the Data Validation button in the ribbon. In the Data Validation window, find the Allow field. By default, it may be set to something like any value. Click that drop-down and then choose List. This tells Excel that instead of allowing anything to be typed into the cell, you want users to select from a predefined list of options. After that, move to the Source field. You'll see a small up arrow next to it. Click that arrow to collapse the window so you can easily select the cells that contain your list items. This is useful because it lets you directly point Excel to the exact data you want included in the dropdown. Now highlight the data you want to use for the list. Make sure you select only the cells containing the options you want to appear. It's a good idea to check that your list is clean and organized before selecting it, since every item you include here will show up in the drop-down. When you've highlighted the correct data, return to the Data Validation window and click OK. At this point, Excel will create the drop-down list based on the source range you selected. Finally, click the down arrow in the cell to open the drop-down list. You should now see the list of available choices appear, ready for selection. One quick note: these steps create the drop-down list itself. If your goal is to store multiple selected items in a single cell, that usually requires an additional method beyond basic data validation. But for setting up the list and opening it correctly, this is the process you'll follow. If this tutorial helped you, please consider subscribing. We post new software tutorials every day to help you get the most out of your favorite tools. Thanks for watching.